What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best air purifiers for mold removal. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Coway AP. If you are in the market for the very best air purifier for mold, then this is a good place to start. This purifier, which is produced by Coway, has everything that you should look for when you are trying to get rid of mold. First off, the filtration system is wonderful. Not only does it have a certified HEPA filter, but it also has a filter for odors, a pre-filter, which is cleanable, and an ionizer, which will remove even more particles from the air. In fact, this purifier can remove up to 99.97% of all airborne particles larger than 0.3 microns from the air. This high percentage, along with the number of filters that the mold spores will have to work through, will give you a great chance at getting rid of them as quickly as possible. This unit can also be used on many different speed levels, which will allow you to match it to your needs. What is impressive, though, is the fact that, even on the highest speed, this is a quiet unit. The only real problem with this purifier is that it has a relatively short range, though this will also help you to keep its great effects focused on the area of mold concern. Truly, this is a great purifier that you should check out. Number 4. Alen BreatheSmart. Lots of times, the biggest problem with mold is that you can't be sure exactly how far it has spread. It can be very difficult to locate every last little bit of it, and sometimes it is in places that you would never have dreamed it could or would be. Which is why this might be a good purifier to buy. It has, by far, the largest coverage area of any of the purifiers we looked at. This makes it the perfect choice if you have a large area to clean up, or you just want to make sure that the mold truly is completely contained. This purifier can be used with a variety of HEPA filter options. Of course, since we are talking about mold removal here, you will want to stick with the silver option, as this filter has been developed specifically for the removal of mold spores from the air. Utilizing this filter, which will last about a year, you will be able to remove up to 99% of the particles in the air, which should eliminate any future mold growth. Now, as you might have guessed, this larger than average coverage area does come at the expense of some other factors. This purifier is a bit on the loud side when used on its highest level. It will also use up more electricity than other models. But we must say, it is natural for such a powerful model. Number 3. Honeywell HPA. While this purifier from Honeywell might seem on the small side, don't let its looks deceive you. It has tons of features that are tailor-made for the removal of mold from the air. First off, the filtration system is top-notch. It has a pre-filter and a HEPA filter that, when properly maintained, will remove up to 99.97% of particles from the air. As long as you keep the filters as clean as possible, you won't need to worry about any airborne spores or allergens in the area that you choose to use this purifier. The biggest problem with this purifier is that it doesn't have an overly large coverage area. It will only be able to do 1 or 2 rooms in your home, which isn't too big of a deal as long as your mold hasn't spread too far. As long as it is relatively contained, this filter should do just fine. It has 4 different settings, which will allow you to control the noise level as well as the power consumption rate. Best of all, this purifier comes with a nice long 5-year warranty, which will cover most of the parts should they be damaged in everyday use. Number 2. Oransi Finn. While this purifier has one of the smallest coverage areas available, that doesn't mean that it isn't a quality product. What that simply means is that you should only purchase it under 2 conditions. First, if you are only looking to clean up a small area, then this is a great option. Second, if you know for a fact that the mold you are looking to eliminate is contained in a small area. If both of these criteria are met, then this is a great choice. First off, it has two filters, a cleanable pre-filter and a HEPA filter, which will only need to be replaced after 2 whole years of use. These two filters will remove up to 99% of airborne spores, making it a pretty effective purifier. To help eliminate any germs that it catches in its filter, it also features a UV light. This powerful light destroys most bacteria and pathogens, which in turn helps to make the air that much cleaner. It is also one of the quietest purifiers on the market today, even when you have it on the highest of the 3 speed settings. It is also quite economical to run, even on the highest setting, and comes with a nice long 10-year warranty. Number 1. AeraMax. If you are truly looking to go the economical route, then this is the purifier for you. While its coverage area is the smallest of all the units we checked into, it is still a high-quality product. It uses a HEPA filter in conjunction with activated carbon to remove pollutants from the air. When these two filtration systems are in place and working properly, you can rest assured that 99.97% of all pathogens will be removed from the air. The HEPA filter only needs to be replaced once a year, which isn't too bad at all. The carbon, on the other hand, will need to be replaced every 3 months to keep working properly. This unit can be used on any of its 4 speeds, with its lowest speed being the most economical and quietest. When the unit is running at this speed, it only will use a minuscule 6 W of energy, which is nice and low. Even on the highest setting, which you would probably use more often for mold removal, you are still only going to be using about 86 W, which isn't too bad at all. To sweeten the deal even further, the company offers a 3-year warranty. This will give you plenty of time to decide if this is the right purifier for you and to make sure that it works in the way that you need it to so that you can get rid of that nasty mold. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.